Okay, I know this video has gone on for a long time. Pause. Actually, Steve, the video has just started, you idiot. So, but guys, the problem is I have so many videos that I've been putting together, adding things onto the car. So I'm just kind of pieced this together. So please enjoy it, you beautiful people. Me adding things to the car, but there's all these little things that would be good to add to the car. I've also got some private custom license plates that are like different shape. If you can see them, I'm not going to wait till they're on. And if you've had a TT, the flappy paddles are really small and annoying. So I've just got these like extenders to put on too. So let's put them on. Okay, so coming in here. All right, so these are the culprits I'm on about. These, they're so small. Like where you want, you have to stay here, and I don't. It's really annoying. So these are the cheap ones. Remember, everything I get in this channel, remember, I'm trying all the cheaper ones so then to see if it looks good to buy the more expensive ones. I don't want to spend already the £200 for these, I think it was, something stupid, to get them, right? Put them on, and I don't like the look of them. So I'm buying all the cheap ones. Why not? They're like 15, 20 quid. I think these were 10 quid, or I can't remember. Off AliExpress, once again, I'll put a link in the bio. And then what I'll do is I'll put them in the car. If they look good, I can then buy the carbon fiber ones. I'll buy the real ones. Perfect example. These side skirts were my first ever video of this Audi TT journey on this that I did to the TT, the first thing I did. And I've had so many of you guys asking, where do I get these side skirts? Where are they from? Blah, blah, blah. How do I get them? And as I've told you all, literally, my first YouTube video, they were from eBay for like, I think it was like 50 quid, right? Now that I know that I like the look of this, how it works with the car, I have now ordered some real carbon fiber ones for 200 quid because I know I like the look of them. That's mean 50 quid ones, put them on, do they look good? Yeah, because I bought some other side skirts that I tried to put on, didn't like the look of them. So I didn't use them. That's me. I only spent 10 quid on that. So a little bit of a life hack when it comes to cars there, but if you've got to think about it, yes, it is time consuming. Other people are like, I'd rather just get the thing put on straight away, go for it if you want to, but then you might put it on and be like, oh, I don't like the look of it. But now that I know I like the look of that and everyone else seems to like the look of it, I found some that are very similar, but they're for an Audi A3, I think, but I'll be able to cut them to size like I had to cut these ones to size to fit anyway. So that will be in a video, probably the next one from this, I think. I don't know, it depends when they arrive because I've actually got a few things I've ordered. But anyway, back to these. So this one is going to be this one, right? Yeah, look at that. I'll show you it better in a minute. Let's just get them on first. My God, getting the stickers off these was so ridiculously hard. Right, let's get these on. Get them stuck on. Tell you what, I'll stick them both on. I'll sit here for a bit and just get them on. Yeah, just stick that one like that. Just see how I look in a sec. Let's have a look. Yes, they look so much better. Now, are they going to stick? I doubt it. I reckon they're probably just going to come off, but I'm putting them on to have a look at them, and I love the way that looks already. So I'll show you this. I'm not a fan of the steering wheel. I want to replace the steering wheel as it is, and you can buy completely new inside bits. You literally unplug these ones and plug new ones in. I'll probably do that. Depends, the new wheel might actually come with new ones anyway, but I do want to get a new wheel at some point. Yeah, I would prefer this to be like maybe Alcantara or something different. I just, you know, there's way better wheels than this. Sorry about the leg shot there. So I think these are just to look, see how they look. I'm gonna let them stick on and I'll try it. They're probably just gonna fall off straight away, but at least I definitely, being able to do that, I don't want to press right now just in case it comes off. I'll let them stick for a bit. But yeah, I think a wheel is maybe the next purchase. Right, look at this old dead license plate. You can get out of here. You mean nothing to me now. Plus, I didn't like the hold it was on or anything. This holder came with the grille, and I wasn't a fan of it to start off with. Like, it's just big black things. Didn't like that at all. Like, just wasn't a fan of that. Right, now that it's off, so many people like the grille, just nothing on the grille, but for some reason for me, it does feel like something's missing. So it does feel like the license plate is missing. So the new one, wait till you see what it is. Right, I'll show you them now. Oh, it's upside down. Then that's the verse for you guys. Evo, so if you don't know, Evos and then Goth, right? So Evos is literally, my followers have always been called the Evos. Evo Warriors, Stevolution, Evos out there. So they've always been called Evos, right? So Evos for you guys. And then I don't really think I need to mention the Goth part. You know, even though I like everything, Goth at heart, really. So, you know, back in the day, you should be called a Goth, so I'll be called a Goth. I didn't mean to do like the and then the Goth part, I don't really need to explain. You know, I like metal music. I like all music, trust me. I like everything. I go from drum and bass to death metal to anything. But I'm Goth at heart, so and that was available, and I thought, fuck it, that'd be funny. Let's get the Goth one. So yeah, I got for the hex at the front, and I don't even know if it's gonna fit or look good, but let's have a look. Oh my God, that's perfect. That's so good. Look how good that is. So look, that fits that, that's the, oh my God. With my OCD, everything being like symmetrical and, oh, that's so good. Now, I'm not gonna show you the back one, but wait until you see the back one as well. I love
the design, I went for the back one, but let's just get the front one on first.
As normal, guys, make sure you clean up the area you're going to be working on. You know me, I don't like to leave any gunkiness anywhere, so get it all clean first.
Now I've got these things to go in. Now my mate said these are terrible, and I believe him. They're kind of like, I don't really feel like this is going to stick it on, but this is all I have. I've actually ordered 2 more of these, so I could take this off and order 2 more to it. But one good advantage of these, if I wanted to at a car show, I could take these off, and I could take the lights, take it off easy, boom, look at that, and then I can put it back on. So there is a bit of advantage about it, but I'm going to stick these on the back of this and get it on.
What I actually did here, guys, is just kind of place them on the back of the plate where I want them. And then I put the license plate to the grill to see where about to actually want it on there, which hexagons the little clips will fit into. Just get them in place, and then I pushed them through, kept them on the grill, then took the stickers off. So then I know they're going to go perfectly into, you know, the hexagon bits where I wanted it, and then I get the license plate back to where I just had it framed up, get them all slightly on, kind of move it a bit until it's good, and then hard press.
Just like that it is on. Oh my God, I think this is going to look so good. I'm so glad I went with the hexagon. What a weird angle. What a weird angle I'm on here. And this is so weird too. This is the last time you see, I'm getting a hand tattoo done in a few days. So next time you see me, I'm gonna have a hand tattoo on my hand. I don't want to press too hard because I don't want to break the grove, but I want it to be stuck on because I'm going to German car meet this weekend actually. So I wanted the new plates on. I need to get the car all cleaned up looking good and make sure it's all good. I think there's an ant biting my ass right now. Bugger. Something just... Something definitely just bit my ass. All right, have a look at this thing. Oh yes. Do you not think that is so much better, man? That just looks, it just fits. How the angles go, like, yeah, so much better. Way better. That just looks like it fits the car more than the stupid, like, rectangle one before. Very nice. Now have a look at the back one.
So before I can show the back one and put it on, there is a load of goo and old glue on the back bit from the old plate that I need to get off first, just using a sticker removal tool here. That, once again, I'll put the link in the bio for it for you. But anyway, let's have a look at this damn thing.
Now, as I just mentioned, there is loads of goo on the bottom of this from the old license plate. Plus, I didn't actually know they had this like little raised platform. So, because the license plate I have is going to stick the whole thing, so I'm going to have to put more sticky pads just like in the middle because I just covered the whole thing. And well, let me show you the license plate. Oh, how cool is that? If you can see, so it's a bat. It's a bat license plate. So I've been kind of nicknaming this car the Bat or Batmobile. I don't like Batmobile, so the Bat something. Oh no, but with 2 T's. So like Bat, but with 2 T's because it's a TT. 2T. So I've got a Bat license plate because, as you can see, I've kind of blackened this one up. The next car I have, I want to make it a bit more colourful. This one is my Gothmobile, as you can kind of see. So I've gone for the Bat, but I put all the stickers along the whole thing, not knowing it has, see, like this little island. So I'm gonna have to put like just more in the middle here. I don't want to put any screws for this. So what I'm going to do is just clean this up, try to get all this gunk off. If you didn't see, like I said, I will describe what that is before, but yeah, link is in the bio if you need it. But anyway, let's get this gunk off.
Now, you may have noticed in the last part of that video that there is a little bit of damage on the actual plate itself. So just like the back sticker, like where the yellow is, has actually creased and it arrived like that, unfortunately. But big shout out to Plate Zone. They actually acknowledged it, said, sorry about that, it's just happened in production. And they send me out a brand new plate, completely free on them. So big shout out to Plate Zone for doing that. So anyway, what I'm doing here is, once again, like I said, clean up the area, just using the stick tool to get all the gunk off, and then using the alcoholic spray just to clean up the area. Once it's all off, then we can actually get this thing on.
Right, this is it, guys. I've got as much gunk off as I can, and now I want to make sure I get this perfect. I want this. What's great about this bat one, it kind of has the little bat point in the middle, so I know to go, I want to go exactly between, but I want it to be in the middle there, exactly in the middle of the like Audi O's rings, sorry, O's. All right, full send. I'm doing it now. Can it bend around? Oh, I don't know if it should bend. Oh, well, it's bending now. If that comes off, it comes off. Whatever. But I feel like that's going to come off. But whatever. I'll stick it anyway. And hope and pray this looks good. Let's have a look. All right, I haven't actually looked myself yet. I'm gonna turn this around. Let's have a look. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. Look at that thing. Look at the little bat ears, little tail. I'm sorry, but that looks great. I am so happy with how that turned out. I don't know if you can even see on camera how good it looks in person, man. Very happy with that. Thank you to Plate Zone. I will tag them down below for sorting these out because that is so good. I've still got bits everywhere. I'm gonna be cleaning the car tomorrow before the car show, but yeah, let me know in the comments what you reckon. What do you think? Was I stupid to do it? I think it matches so well.
Hello guys, welcome back again. I've just got back from a German car meet, actually, German car show at the British Car Museum. And one thing I noticed from everyone there, right, I've got to sort this engine bay out. It needs to look better than it does, and I've already started one thing, as you can see right there, but as you can see, it needs more. I want to try hydro dipping that. I want to try it, see how it turns out, just, you know, why not give it a shot, see what it's like. Definitely want to try hydro dipping that. Now these, I've already taken this one off, this I want to take these off. I'm going to do this now. I'm going to spray paint these gloss black to match that. Now, because even touching that, I've driven that about an hour ago now, it's still, these bits actually get hot, like really hot, or hot-ish. So I've actually got some black gloss, like heat resistant ones. Don't really need it that much for that. You can just use normal ones, but that's what I've got since I don't have normal ones, so I might as well just use these high resistance ones on there and make these bits black gloss as well. But, and also, sorry, my hair's like Lord Farquaad at the moment. I need to get it cut. So guys, all we did is clean it up first using some alcoholic spray just to get all the mildew and the gunk off it. Flip them over, then I did just two light coats on the bottom. You're not going to see this bit, so it doesn't matter too much. Then I did 3 layers of just the normal black spray over the top to make sure I got every single area, and then I did 3 more layers of just some clear heat resistant lacquer as well, just to, you know, make sure it's just that extra bit shiny. Okay, they are done and on. I just think they look so much better. Like, have a look. Yes, it's already better. This was like all grey, things are already sticking to it, of course, but these are all grey before, but look, the black actually, that's so much better now. Now they're done, they kind of blend in better with that, so it kind of just, as a whole front before, these were, you could see these like grey bits. It was annoying. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please drop a like and a sub if you can. I really do appreciate it. Let me know if any of these things you will put on your own TT if you have one. But I don't know where this video's gone for so long, some little things I've added. I don't know where it's going to be at, but thank you so much for watching, guys. Please, like I said, hopefully come by the next video and I'll see you in it. If there's any questions, if you want me to add anything, try anything out, let me know down below. But yeah, let me know what you think about the license plate. I'll see you guys in a bit.